Creating an expense report. Expense reports are available under the ERP menu and are a key tool for capturing project expenses. Expense reports can be created by clicking on the New menu. The menu option is available as long as the user has the appropriate permission to create expense reports. Provide a start date and end date for the expense report. If you are a supervisor or administrator, you will be able to choose a user who is your subordinate. If not, then your username is automatically populated as the user. You also need to choose the user who is responsible for approving the expense report. For employees, it will be automatically set to the supervisor of the user. You can use the notes fields to capture any additional information, public or private. Once created, you can add actual expenses to the report. Choose a date and the project which is to be billed. Choose type, enter a description, and enter the amount. Choose the quantity and click on Add. You can upload documents such as scanned bills or receipts. Note that you can add several lines in the same expense report, so you can make only one expense report per week or month. Once the expense report is created, click on Validate and Submit for approval to submit the expense report for approval. Note that an email is automatically sent to the expected approver. Approval workflow. Expense reports thus created and submitted for approval will be waiting for action in the appropriate supervisor or administrator's dashboard. The supervisor or administrator can now review the expense report and take appropriate actions such as approval or rejection. Note that an email will be automatically sent to the requester to inform him or her of the choice. Users can also modify expense reports. To create a new expense report based on an existing one, use the Clone option. Viewing expense reports and statistics. Use the appropriate menus to view the list of expense reports. Expense reports can be reviewed based on the status of each report, such as draft, validated, approved, paid, cancelled, and refused. Statistics gives a graphical bird's-eye view of all the expense reports. Fill in the required filters if you're looking for specific expense reports. You can view the statistics in a tabular as well as a graphical format.